I'm gonna show you how I cook my coconut rice. Yes, so I have a pot here and I have my rice. I'm going to go ahead and pour some in there. You know, we as Jamaica, we don't measure anything. We kind of eyeball everything. So right here, I think I'm putting in about, I would say about 2 cups of rice. All right, about 2 cups of rice. Now let's move over to the sink to wash our rice. Yes, we have to wash our rice. Come, let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and wash our rice. So we could take out some of the starch out of the rice. You see that? You see how the top part is white? We want to wash away some of that starch. Alright? And I normally wash my rice about 3 times. What was your question? Is it needed? It is needed in my kitchen, my darling. See, the water still looks cloudy, so that's why I wash my rice at least 3 times. And after I wash it the 3rd time, it's still going to look a little bit cloudy, but less cloudy. Alright, now I'm going to add my water. Now again, we don't measure. We Jamaicans, we don't measure. We kind of just eyeball things. Alright, and that should be good enough water. Alright, come on, let's go over to our stove. Alright, so before I start adding my ingredients in my pot, I have some scallion here, and I'm just going to go ahead and julienne them. When you slice your scallion this way, it is called julienne. Do you have to do it this way? No, sir, you don't have to do it this way. It's just your preference. Okay, so this is going to go into our pot. So let's go over to our pot and let's start seasoning this baby. Alright, so let's start seasoning our pot. But before we go any further, I want to let you know that this video was inspired by my girl Tiki Cook TV. If you haven't already yet subscribed to her, here is her link. Please go ahead and do so. I will also have her link down in the description below for you to do so. But finish watch this video before you leave me. Alright, so let's go ahead and start seasoning our pot. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt, as you know we don't want no fresh rice around here. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and add our julienne scallion. And we're going to go ahead and add our milk. Now, if you have coconut milk, go ahead and use that. I have the powder one, and that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the powder milk. And then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of butter. 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Then we're going to go ahead and give it a mix to just combine everything together. Alright. Now once again, if you're cooking your rice and your rice is swimming in the pot, that means you have too much water. So go ahead and take out some. And if you have thyme as well, you can add a piece of thyme in there. Unfortunately, I don't have any thyme, so I just have to do without. You see me? It's all good though. Alright, so this is well mixed. So we're gonna go ahead now and cover our pot and let it do its thing And when it's time for it to come off, I'll come back and show you guys what my coconut rice look like. Alright, so let's look at our coconut rice. Alright. Okay, so this is exactly how it should look. It is not quite yet finished, but we're just gonna go ahead and give it a little turn. Kind of just mix everything in. I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of file paper on top so it could finish steaming down. So we can have some nice, soft, shelly rice. Alright? Some people use a bag, what do you call it? A grocery bag or something like that. I don't necessarily like to use a grocery bag, so I use a file paper. And then I just cover my pot. Make sure it's sealed. Right? And then turn it down on low. Not low, but you know, look a bit low. Alright guys, so I'll be back. Alright, I am back. Let's check on our rice. There you go guys, the final look of my coconut rice. Guys, if you enjoy this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me if you join the family. Until next time guys, bye!